this video is about the Shedwars Secret Seed Challenge. We had a live and we was actually talking about some stuff, and this one here had me thinking that Pete was going to end up being Sneaky Pete.
Yeah.
And just so you know, in Shedwars, Pete is also known as Hillbilly Pete. When I heard that his nickname was Hillbilly Pete, I was just like, this is the kind of guy I can watch.
Wonderful.
Yeah. But the Secret Seed Challenge is you find a kind of like a partner from the other team, and they send you a seed, and then in return you send them a seed, and you don't know what it is. So we got ours, and Pete is our partner from the other team. So we got ours in, and I think you're supposed to try to guess what they are. But anyways, on one of our lives, the whole Sneaky Pete, I got to tell this story because I think it's pretty funny. Okay, so on one of our lives, we was talking about the fact that I absolutely cannot grow corn. I've tried everything and multiple times, and I just cannot.
Multiple fertilizers, multiple everything.
Yeah. And I know people are gonna leave me comments of how to grow corn and give me all the best information that you can about growing corn, but at this point, I just don't even bother. It's not worth the time and space and frustration for me to even try to grow something that clearly just doesn't want to grow for me. So I'll just go over to the neighbors and I'll eat his corn because it's delicious anyway. But so the fact that we couldn't grow corn when we did the Secret Seed Challenge and we exchanged information, one of the things Pete had said in the email was something like, hope you can grow, and then he left it blank and then followed with LOL. Well, this one here is instantly thinking the worst.
I thought it was corn.
So he thought it was corn.
I thought, oh, Pete's gonna send us corn.
So I was like, oh no, Pete wouldn't do that. He wouldn't do that, because I was like, Pete is way too sweet.
And I said, no, he's gonna end up, his name's gonna be Sneaky Pete.
So anyways, he convinces me that it's corn. Well, I can tell by the seeds, it's definitely not corn.
Not corn.
And if it is, that is some strange corn. Okay, but anyway, it says, hello Kenny and Angie, here's the secret seeds. You may know what it is, but what kind? I hope you have good luck with them. Pete's little homestead. Tip number 1, about a week after the last frost date, plant 3 or 4 of us together in moist, damp soil. Tip 2, plant me in full sun. I do best that way. Tip 3, always make sure I have plenty of water after I get started growing. Good luck and enjoy, Pete. So, I'm going to show you the seeds and I'll tell you what I think they are. I don't know if you can pick them up on camera or not, but okay. So, my thought is, I think they are I think they're watermelon. But like it says, what kind? So I'm not really sure what kind of watermelon they would be. I'm assuming just by the size of the seeds, I'm guessing that they wouldn't be super big.
Yeah, I bet they're them round ones, just them little round ones.
The smaller ones usually are sweeter, so that would make me right, and it would be Sweet Pete.
Not Sneaky Pete.
But I will say, because he convinced me that he was going to be Sneaky Pete, the seeds that we sent him were sneaky, because in Shedwars, it's a good community, but it's 2 different teams and you go by the weight. So what I sent him, because he had me convinced that it was going to be corn and I wasn't going to be able to grow it, that would have just been hilarious. Oh, you guys can't grow corn? Guess what I'm sending you?
Guess what I'm sending you? Corn.
Yeah, that would have been funny.
It would.
So I sent Pete something that legit he could harvest every single bit of it and it would probably never even amount to an ounce. So now I feel bad because I'm pretty sure those are watermelons. And even if they're small watermelons, they're still gonna get more weight than what I would have sent him. So, because I do like Pete, and his channel is amazing. He's just a great guy. He's just a great all-around guy. So if you're not watching him yet, go over to his channel, subscribe, and tell him that Kenny and Angie sent you, because he's just a really good guy. And he's really smart. He knows a lot.
Yes, he does.
So, but I'll be sending some different seeds out to you, Pete. They won't be secret, and it won't be part of the secret seed challenge or whatever, but because this one had me convinced that you was going to be sneaky, I tried being sneaky back, and now I feel bad. So, especially because I like Pete.
I do too. Pete's a good guy.
You can't say that because you thought he was going to be sneaky.
But she's going to send you out some more seeds, Pete. Just because I thought it was corn.
See? That's why I should never listen to you. Ever. And I wanted to go on record that I was right.
You were right.
Did
I really say that?
And that's definitely staying on.
I don't think I really said that.
That is going to be broadcast. I want everybody to like, subscribe, and make sure you share this one, because he admitted I was right. So share this video to everybody.
You don't have to do that.
Yes, let's make this one go viral. I was right. And he admitted it. This should definitely go viral. A husband admitting he was wrong and his wife was right.
Made your day, didn't it?
Thank you, Pete, for the seeds, and we look forward to growing it. Again, if you haven't, get to Pete's Little Homestead and tell him that we sent you. And we got some work to do.
We do have some work to do. Thanks, Pete. Appreciate it, buddy.
I guess the slow life ain't just right, like a bonfire.